Rwanda and Togo share strong, friendly relations, with a key milestone being the 2018 signing of bilateral air service agreement, which set the stage for further collaboration. Since then, we have taken further steps by initiating three important agreements: a general cooperation agreement, an agreement establishing a joint permanent commission on cooperation, and a memorandum of understanding on political consultations. Additionally, we are finalizing a double taxation avoidance agreement and have concluded negotiations on a visa waiver agreement for holders of service and ordinary passport, which is ready for signature. Looking ahead, we see several areas where we can strengthen our cooperation, including the digitalization of public services, performance contracts for public officials, imihigo, sustainable urbanization with a focus on green cities, harnessing cultural values to drive development. To advance these initiatives, we propose organizing reciprocal study visits at the earliest opportunity. These visits would facilitate the exchange of expertise and best practices in key areas, including agriculture, finance and investment, mining, green financing, governance, media and communication, public service and labor, as well as security and defense. Your Excellencies, our two nations have much to offer one another, and we believe these initiatives will yield significant benefits for both countries. I thank you.
Les excellentes relations d'amitié et de coopération qui existent entre le Rwanda et le Togo, et sur les convergences de vues et d'approche entre les deux dirigeants. Et sur cette base, nous avions déjà amorcé des discussions et des échanges, et cela avait permis de nous accorder sur des projets de convention et d'accords sur les 5 secteurs que le ministre rwandais des Affaires étrangères a soulignés. À l'occasion de cette visite de travail de son Excellence, Monsieur le Président Faure Essozimna Gnassingbé, il y a des nouvelles opportunités et d'autres domaines de coopération qui ont été identifiés et qui ont fait l'objet de bonnes discussions hier et ce matin entre les ministres et les autres membres de la délégation qui accompagnent le président togolais et leurs interlocuteurs du Rwanda. Et donc nous avons convenu que très rapidement, il y aura des visites techniques réciproques, aussi bien du Togo vers le Rwanda que du Rwanda vers le Togo, afin d'approfondir les échanges et d'élaborer des dossiers finaux concernant les conventions, les accords et les mémorandums d'entente qui pourront être signés ultérieurement. Et donc nous espérons avec beaucoup d'intérêt d'effectuer une visite technique pour poursuivre les échanges et également d'accueillir nos frères et sœurs du Rwanda au Togo afin de finaliser les discussions sur les projets de convention, d'accords et de mémorandums qui pourront être signés. Je vous remercie.
Thank you. First of all, Excellency, for Essozimna Gnassingbé, President of the Republic of Togo, honorable ministers, members of delegation from Togo, and your counterparts from Rwanda. President, my brother, friend, it's a great pleasure, first of all, to welcome you and your delegation to Rwanda. And we are very happy to have you with us. I think really mine is just to express how happy we are to have you here, but also recall the good cooperation we have for a long time between our two countries that we want to deepen further as we continue working together. And there are sectors that have already been mentioned, but the cooperation is not limited to that. You can take it to any other level. So mine is to thank you for finding the time to visit with us and the delegation that interacted extensively with our own people. And I think I always want to remind people that once we have visited each other, we have discussed, we have reached agreement, what remains is just to go to business and do what we have to do without and put it aside. So if you don't mind, I'll just say this on our behalf, or your behalf. I know that's how you feel. And the next to our brothers and sisters here, let's get to work to make sure that we get results of what. Otherwise, I enjoyed deep discussion with the president, and one-on-one meeting. I don't think we are going to bring that out here. So that's why I want to save him having to. What we said is enough, and what you have said is enough. So let's go to business.